We're all trying to keep our costs down these days, so I'm sharing some money-saving kitchen hacks to help you reduce food waste and lower your grocery expenses. This first hack will keep your celery fresh from 2 to 4 weeks. Remove the celery from any plastic it came in and keep the celery head whole. Wrap securely in aluminum foil, then store in the refrigerator. Mushrooms will also last much longer if you remove them from their store packaging. Store them unwashed in a paper bag in the fridge with the top of the bag open. This works for either whole or pre-sliced mushrooms. The bag will absorb the excess moisture while still allowing them to breathe, keeping them from getting soggy as quickly. This next tip will keep your onions fresh for up to 6 months. If you have an old clean pair of pantyhose lying around, cut the legs off. Drop an onion into the foot and tie a knot in the hose just above the onion. Repeat the process with more onions all the way up the leg. Hang the pantyhose in a cool, dry place. When you need an onion, cut a slit in one of the sections to grab the onion you need. You might be surprised to learn that a bowl on your counter is not the best place to store lemons. They will stay fresh for up to 1 month when stored properly in your fridge. To do this, place them in a plastic zipper bag. Seal the bag, then put the bag in your refrigerator. Tomatoes have a notoriously short shelf life, but this tip will slow down the ripening process. Remove the top stems from your tomatoes and store them upside down. Nuts have many health benefits, but can sometimes be costly. Get the most out of your purchase by extending their shelf life. Nuts stored in the freezer can last for up to a year when stored sealed in a plastic zipper bag. This one is my favorite. No need to waste the extra ginger root after using a small amount for a recipe. It freezes and stores really well. Wrap the root tightly in foil and store in the freezer in a plastic freezer bag. When you need to use it again, grate or slice off the amount you need and return to the freezer. Yes, you can grate it and use it peel and all. The thin peel is safe to consume and doesn't affect the flavor of your recipe. Follow Fab every day for more food hacks and cost-saving tips like this.